Hey everybody, it's Matt with GolfCartingTV. Happy to be with you today. Got a different episode today. We are starting a new project and I wanted to bring you along with me and go from the very beginning. So I purchased this 2015 Club Car Precedent and we're going to start from here. Not in terrible shape, but not in great shape. There's some parts that came with it. Windshield kind of slides in and out through here, which may or may not be a great thing, but I'm going to have to replace the windshield. The lift kit looks a little left to be desired, so probably going to replace that. Maybe put a new body on it. We'll see. I'd love to get your feedback and find out what you guys think I should do with that. Definitely will replace the seats. Not a big fan of the blue and black. They don't fit in really well either. I'll show you that in just a second here. Standard golf cart kind of front end, dash, steering wheel, all that kind of fun stuff. Does have the basic light kit installed, so it is officially could be street legal. Got some rust for sure, and that's something I'm going to just either get rid of the whole back seat and just make it a two-seater, possibly lower it instead of lifted it, see what we can do with that. And it did come with, there's some kind of ratchety little setup here with this thing that's gonna, I have new struts that the seller had bought new struts, just never put them on. And worst case here is this guy. So batteries are dead, don't work, gonna replace. Not sure if I'm gonna go with replacement of lead acid or if we're gonna jump into the full lithium conversion, maybe motor conversion, who knows. But we shall see what happens. Here we are. Like I said, I'd love to hear your comments, love to see what you think I should do with this thing. There's, like I said, a little bit left to be desired. It's not terrible. I could just replace the batteries and it would run and it'd be fine. But I definitely want this to be something that is worthy of this channel and also potentially worthy of the magazine even. Let me know what you think. We will be back here. I'll share progress and we shall go from there. Have an awesome day. We'll see you next Thursday on Golf Carting TV.